Okay, so it's finished now, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Da-doom, da-doom. Okay, let's have a look. Ew. Wait. It's pretty firm. Let's take it over to the table. Okay, let's cut it out. Hang on, wait. See if it just like falls out. Go, James. Cut that cake.
Yeah, bitch.
Work it. Oh, yay!
Hot.
Okay, turn it over. Wait, the other way. Yeah.
This way?
No, that way. Okay, now cut it. That's the cup. Okay, now cut it open. Oh, look at the stream. Okay, now is the tasting part. Ready? Go, James. Does it taste good or does it taste horrible?
It's okay.
Okay, here. Let me try some. I'm actually gonna try some. This is funny. Hang on. This is so weird. I've never ever made a cake in the microwave before.
That's good.
It smells like bread. Okay, hang on.
It's good.
Ew. Oh. It tastes like plain, like.
It's boring, but it's nice. The texture is good.
Okay. So that was our attempt at making a cake in the microwave. Guys, my advice is just make it in the oven, but if you're really hungry, the microwave is always there. And